Hello children, so how are you all? Loudly, I can't hear you. How are you? Good? Are you fine? Yes, I hope you are in a very good health and safely staying at home. Children, I'm back with a new subject and a new topic. But before that, let me introduce myself. So children, as you know me as Anita teacher. Yes, Anita D'Souza, your Anita teacher, senior KG, Toddledom. So children, as I've told you, today I'm going to take a new subject and a new topic. Can you guess what it is? You like to listen. You enjoy listening. You sit quietly and listen. What is that? Which subject? Anybody? Stories. Yes. Today I am going to tell you a story. So today is storytelling. Wow. Very good. So children, the name of a story is The Donkey in the Lion's Skin. I hope everybody knows donkey. Okay, donkey is a pet animal? No. Wild animal? No. Yes, it is a domestic animal, and you know, donkey is a very hard working animal. You know why? Because it can carry lot of weight, okay, on its back. So it is called as a working animal, very hard working animal. And the other character is lion, and lion is the king of the jungle. He is the king of the jungle. And do you know what sound does lion make? And what sound does donkey make? Anybody can tell me what sound does donkey make? Ee-aw, ee-aw, ee-aw. Yes? Can you try? Yes. Come on, try. Take out the sound of a donkey. How does donkey bray? That is called as ee-aw. Is called as bray. Donkey brays. And lion roars. Lion roars. Okay. And children, in this story, the other characters, these are the two main characters in the story. One is the donkey and one is the lion. And the other characters was also there, like other animals and villagers. You know who are villagers? Villagers are who stay in the village. Okay, when you go to your native place, it is not a city, it is a village. Gaon, it is a village. So the people staying over there, they are called as villagers. What they are called as? Villagers. Okay, so children, are you very excited to listen to the story? Yes, I am also very excited to tell you the story. So children, now let's go into the story. Come on. Okay children, so we have come into the story, and the title of our story is The Donkey in the Lion's Skin. There was once a donkey, okay, and that donkey was thinking to itself, the lion is the king of the jungle and everybody is afraid of him. And look at me, everybody laughs at me and beats me up. To his surprise, the donkey found the skin of the dead lion. The donkey thought to itself, what would happen if I wore this lion skin? People and Every animal will definitely respect me. The donkey wore the lion's skin and started to roam about. All the animals ran away in fear, thinking that this was a lion too. People also started running in fear, thinking that this was a lion. And the donkey was very happy, thinking that he would cheat all the animals and people alike. In its happiness, the donkey forgot itself. It started to jump here and there. Not only that, it started to bray. E-aw, e-aw, e-aw. No sooner the villagers heard the bray, they understood that this is a donkey. They took some heavy sticks and started to drop the donkey away. Moral of the story is, jealousy will not serve good. Let me once again make you understand this story. So children, this story is about a donkey, the lion's skin, the animals and the villages. Now, the donkey in this story, he was not very happy with himself. He was thinking about others, like he was thinking of lion. He was thinking, this lion, look at this lion. He is the king of the jungle and everybody is afraid of him. And look at me. Nobody is afraid of me. Everybody laughs at me and everybody beats me up. So he was jealous. Okay, he was jealous of the lion. Children, do you know what is the meaning of jealous? Jealous is a feeling. Like we have a feeling of happy, sad, angry. Same way, we also have a feeling of jealous. When does this feeling come? Suppose, for example, mummy gives toys to you also and to your brother also or to your sister also. But you are not happy with your own toy what mummy has given you. You are not happy with it. And you want the toys which your brother or your sister has got, which mummy has given to them. Why? Simply because you want everything what they are having. You want everything what they are having. If they are having dinosaur toy, you also want the same thing. If they are having a kitchen set toy, you also want the same thing. So this is called as jealousy. This feeling is called as jealousy. You are not happy with yourself. You want the things what others have got. So this is called as jealousy. This is a feeling. So children, same way the donkey was jealous of the lion. Okay, thinking that he is the king of the jungle and everybody is afraid of him. And look at me, everybody laughs at me, everybody beats me up. So he was very sad about it and also very jealous of lion. So one day he was just walking and he saw what he saw. To his surprise, he saw a dead lion's skin. Okay, dead lion's skin. Skin, this is the skin. The lion was dead and there was only the skin of the lion. Okay, the skin, the face, and all, only the skin of the lion was there. And the donkey started to think, what will happen if I wore this lion skin? If I wear it, what will happen? Everybody, all the animals, all the people will respect me. See, the lion is coming. They will respect me and they will be afraid of me. So he thought of wearing that lion skin, thinking that everybody will be afraid of me and they will respect me. And he wore that lion skin and started to roam here and there. He started to roam here and there. And the animals saw and they thought to themselves, oh my God, one more lion, there's one more lion. And they started to run in fear. They started to run in fear. They got scared. This lion has come, one more lion has come, now he will also eat us. Okay, he will catch us and eat us. And they started running. And the donkey was very happy. And so he started walking and roaming here and there nearby the village. And the villagers also saw the lion coming. And they also got scared. And they also started running in fear. And the donkey was seeing all this thing. The donkey was very happy. He started jumping. Here and there. Not only that, in his happiness, he forgot that he is a donkey after all. And he started to bray. Do you remember what is bray? I have told you before at the start of the story. That bray, when the sound of the donkey is called bray. Like the sound of the donkey is ee-aw, ee-aw. And the villagers heard it. How can a lion bray? The lion roars. The donkey brays. Ee-aw, ee-aw. And the villagers came to know this is not a lion, but this is a donkey. And they got sticks, heavy sticks, and they drove the donkey away. So children, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is jealousy will not serve good. You have to be yourself. You have to be happy with what you are. Now, donkey was also good. He was also a domestic animal. He used to carry heavy loads. He can do many things like that, which lion cannot do. But donkey was not happy with himself. He wanted to become the lion. The same way, you should be happy with yourself. Okay, whatever you have, whatever toys you're having, whatever mommy daddy is giving you, whatever food you're getting, you should be happy with that. So let's revise our story. I'll ask you few questions. Okay, you have to answer me. What did the donkey find? The donkey found the skin of a dead lion. Very good. Animals and the people started running with fear. Why they started running? Yes, because they thought that it is a lion. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is jealousy will not serve good. So children, I hope and I do believe that you enjoyed this story. Okay children, bye, take care and stay safely at home.